unexplained images, we can get to the really interesting stuff. These strange swirling patterns have been seen in the Athabasca Vallis area of Mars, which is thought to have been created by catastrophic flooding in the past. More than 200 of these anomalies have been found, with more expected to be found in other regions. If you're thinking that these patterns could be fossilized remains of alien life, then think again, as these swirls are around 100 feet in diameter, or over 30 meters. Unfortunately, these patterns are not a sign of any alien life. They are simply a phenomenon known as lava coils. They can be found on Earth, on Hawaii's Big Island. The only difference is the size. Here on Earth, these are only around 1 foot in diameter, much smaller than their Martian equivalents. In 2017, a NASA orbiter captured this image of the southern polar region of Mars. This area has since been nicknamed Swiss cheese territory, and it has left scientists baffled due to the large pit on the right. The leading ideas are that it could have been caused by a rogue space rock or a collapse has happened at the surface. Both of these commonly occur on Mars. However, other people have different ideas, from a Star Wars monster to a secret underground base. One of the most interesting anomalies on Mars is the mystery of methane. The Curiosity rover discovered that methane detections follow a seasonal pattern, spiking in the late Martian summer. As soon as this methane is seemingly produced, it is then consumed by a currently unknown process. There are two possible explanations here. One is biological and the other is geological. These variations could be explained by colonies of methane-producing and methane-consuming microorganisms living below the surface of Mars. Below the surface could host the right pressures and temperatures to sustain such life. The other explanations are geological in nature, ranging from methane trapped under the surface, which is released periodically, to asteroids and volcanoes. None of these theories have been proven, and it will be a long wait until we can get more definitive answers. The Perseverance rover doesn't have a methane detector on board, but it does have the capability to take samples of the surface. These samples can be returned to Earth in the future and studied up close. This image from Curiosity in 2015 shows what at first appears to be a pyramid structure. However, when we zoom out and correct the rotation, you can see the wider context of the image. If an alien race wanted to build a pyramid, it's probably not a good idea to build it on a hill, and they could aim to make it a little bigger.